Juicing and intermittent fasting for weight loss. Juicing has become a popular option for weight loss, either as a way to detoxify the body and prep it for a weight loss diet, or as a way to lose weight. It can be successful because the body is consuming enormous amounts of nutrition, which often curbs cravings. However, with the sudden popularity of intermittent fasting, some dieters are combining both approaches to achieve even better results. What is intermittent fasting? Fasting is not a new thing. It's been used in religious and spiritual practices for centuries. Intermittent fasting, or IF for short, is simply eating during a specific time frame or window instead of the traditional 3 meals per day plus snacks. What makes intermittent fasting so effective? Even without restricting calories, many people find that they can lose weight simply by eating during a limited number of hours. This seems impossible, but the way IF works is based on how your body burns calories. Normally, when you eat a meal, your body starts digesting it and burning what it can as energy. Your body is using this immediately available energy instead of the fat you have stored. When your body has fasted, it can't rely on a recently consumed meal, so it has to use energy stored in your body. What are the benefits of intermittent fasting? There are several benefits to intermittent fasting. 1, fewer meals simplify your life. There is a certain amount of prepping you have to do when you are juicing. The benefits are greatest when you are consuming freshly made juices, so you have to go through the whole process for every meal. By juicing during a shorter time frame, you are reducing the amount of time spent on prepping, which will make it more likely that you'll stay the course. 2, it creates mindfulness around your meal preparation and consumption. Knowing that you can only eat during a certain period of time creates a certain expectation, allowing you to really enjoy your meals. You'll be mindful of the types of juices you prepare, and you'll enjoy them much more. This enhances the process enormously and makes your weight loss efforts more enjoyable. Are there any drawbacks to combining juicing with intermittent fasting? Yes. The main drawback with combining juicing with intermittent fasting is some people do not consume enough calories. Certain juice blends are extremely low calorie, so it's important to do your research and ensure that you are getting enough calories and nutrients while juicing. Juicing is an excellent way to regain control of your health and reach your ideal weight. Adding intermittent fasting to your juicing program will further enhance the benefits and help you achieve your goals even faster.